require a laptop. On that laptop you can open up any photo or a video of your choice. Once you're done with it, place a mirror on the keyboard of the laptop. Adjust the mirror so that you can see the screen of your laptop on the mirror. This adds to a really cool effect. Once you're done with it, add an object. I'm going to add my favorite necklace as my subject. For some extra effects, I am switching on the lights of the mirror. And here's the result. For the second idea, I have taken sheet masks from Nykaa, and as you can see, I have chosen a moving image in this case now. So I'm just trying out different angles and different styles with this same subject. So you can see, you can click a picture right now. This will give a really cool effect. You can see the second effect also. This is also looking really pretty. So this is my third idea, and this is my favorite necklace which I bought from Shein last year, and I love this necklace. So this is the final look. Okay, so for the fourth idea, I have taken lipsticks, and on the screen I have played a video related to makeup, so it is going well with the entire theme. Okay, so for my last idea, I have chosen a pair of earrings which are floral, and therefore the theme which is going on in the background is also floral.